rely on them, we roar for your cause. Defend your community at all costs. Never yet run, stand your ground to the last. Real outlaw people love we because no all woman purse can get grab off. No juvenile on the road after dark. No visitors can get robbed in the park. Else boy we finish before them start. No shutter can give no juvenile gun. No stinginess when this tight money run. No little shop can get took in the slum. All who perpetrate have been fuck up and run. No man do more than them share of kegs. One voice attack just like Simon says. No man no thief when the yaki tree beer. It make war broke out and it a penny each year. No man no frowns when a man a make food. Things that a road they scam and them a get rude. No shot no bus when a man a keep treat. No man no disturb the children peace. No car no broke when you hear dance a key. The last man we try but no black is la shit. Them here say me soon come tell them me rich. No man no talk when the general speak. Chinaman and that a disrespect. I don't want like them a done and still no money now make. I don't want like them a captain and the damn shipwreck. Soon enough of them a suffer from twist neck. Take it make an example, so the thing set. All violators know what come next. Misbehaving, troublemaking, yo we won't accept. Certain boy fi disappear from a magic carpet. All nuisance get where them forget. People live peaceful, no need to fret cause how we a got them out the street late at night when them asleep. Kids in bed and counting sheep. And when they wake up in the morning they be living sweet. Enterprise operation wrap up well neat. Back to business, everything on beat. No man do more than them share of green. No man no frowns when no fish nah steam. No man no frowns when the pot one clean. No man no drink out the dance Berlin. No man go round where the big man said. No man no greedy and nah broke bread. No man no go round the royal laws. All this loyal get nail pan cross. How we a got them out the street late at night when them asleep. How we a got them out the street late at night when them asleep. How we a got them out the street late at night when them asleep. How we a got them out the street late at night when them asleep.